Where will you be flying today?
I will fly to Los Angeles.
May I see your ticket, passport and visa please?
Here you go. My visa's on page 5 of my passport.
Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
Window please.
How many pieces of luggage do you have?
Just one.
Here's your boarding pass. The plane will board half an hour prior to departure. You'll be leaving from gate 4, on your right.
Thank you. Hi, I'm new to the city. I'd like to rent a car for a week.
What kind would you like?
A compact.
May I see your driver's license?
Would my international license do?
Sure. Just fill out this form. Write your address here and sign your name on the bottom of the page. Unlimited mileage and the mandatory collision insurance are included.
Do I have to return the car to this location?
No, you can drop it off at any of our local branches.
Are the keys in the car?
Yes. Our complimentary bus to the parking lot is right behind you.
Okay. Thank you. I have to ask you something.
Go ahead.
Do you sell maps?
No, I'm sorry, we don't. Why do you need a map? Don't you have a GPS on your phone?
I do. But it's not working. And I have no idea why.
Maybe I can help you.
Well, can you tell me how to get to California Science Center?
Sure. Follow the highway north for about 8 miles and get off at exit 47. At the end of the ramp, make a left onto Little Street.
Left at the end of the ramp?
Yes, then, at the traffic light, turn right. At the next intersection, turn left and you'll be in front of the California Science Center.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, here's your ticket. Just leave the keys in the car. But remember that we are not responsible for any valuables left in your car.
In that case, I'll take my bag with me. By the way, could you tell me how to get to Town Hall?
No problem. Walk 2 blocks east on Pine Street. then make a right. You'll see a gas station on your left. Pass the gas station and make a left down Main Street. The town hall will be right in front of you.
So, I take a left after the gas station, onto what street?
Main Street.
Main Street. Thanks.
You're welcome.
What a great day, Ava.
Yes, it is. It's nice to see you again.
You too.
I have already made some plans for us. Do you want to go to the beach this weekend?
Yeah, that's a great idea. Maybe Rachel and Jack would like to come along.
I doubt it. They're not seeing each other anymore.
You're kidding.
No. They split up last week.
What happened?
I don't really know.
I still can't believe it.
Get over it. It's not like they were a match made in heaven.
You're right. Anyway, I'm getting hungry.
All right. Let's go, and have a nice dinner.